Right guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn JavaScript Event Listener. This is a very important topic because this is what allows JavaScript to listen to user action like click, typing, hovering, submitting forms, and more. Without event listeners, JavaScript cannot interact with users. So by the end of this video, you clearly understand what addEventListener is, how it works, why we use it instead of onClick, and how to remove event using removeEventListener. Don't rush, watch till the end and let's code together step by step. So let me head to my VS Code right now. First, you need an HTML file. This HTML is just to give us something to interact with the JavaScript. Now, this line tells the browser that this file is an HTML5 document. This opens the HTML document and tells the browser the language is English. This sets the character encoding so text display correctly. Alright, so that's what this part is doing. Now, this makes the page responsive on mobile devices, and this is just the title that shows on the browser with the closing tag of the head. Alright, so everything user sees on the page goes inside the body. Alright, so while typing what, this is a heading and I gave it an ID so JavaScript can access it later. Alright, so this is why we did this part here, and we're just going to write we're just going to give this ID anything at all. So we just write a very simple heading here, just JavaScript Event Listeners. Alright, so we go to the next part now. So this part, we're going to create a button. Okay, so this is our first button. The ID is important because JavaScript needs to attach an event to it. So we just write click me here and we go to the second part and we create what? The second button, right? So this second button will remove the event listener from the first button. Alright, and we just write something simple here. So we just write the remove click event. Okay, so we go to the next part, and this paragraph will show messages when the action happens, and we gave it an ID of output as well. Okay, so finally we link our JavaScript file. Always put the script at the bottom of your HTML so your HTML loads first. And now this is our browser. So right now nothing happens when I click because we haven't written JavaScript yet. So let's go back to our JavaScript. So now let's move to JavaScript. This is where the event listeners happens. So here I'm telling JavaScript, go to the HTML document and get the element with the ID of click btn. That's just what happened here. Same thing here, but this time we are selecting the second button. Alright, so this is for the second button that's going to remove the event listener. So get element by ID, remove btn. Alright, so that's what we are doing here, and we go to the next part, and this select the paragraph where we are displaying the messages, and we are selecting this by the ID as well. If JavaScript doesn't select an element, it cannot control it. So selecting element is always the first step. So we need to create now a function. Okay, so this is a normal JavaScript function. Inside the function, we change the text inside the paragraph using inner HTML. One important thing to notice is we are not calling the function, we are just defining what should happen when it runs. Alright, so that is just what we are doing right now. Okay, so This is the most important line in this lesson. Add event listener takes two arguments: the event type, here it is click, and the function to run, here it is handle click. Notice something very important. We did not write handle click with the two brackets. If you add the bracket, JavaScript will run the function immediately without the bracket. Alright, so without the bracket, JavaScript waits for you to click. So let's go to the browser, and now I click the button. The text changes. That means the event listener is working perfectly. So now we add another event listener to the second button, and still the click. So that's just what is happening here. So this line, we write the function, and we're going to do our function right here. So now this line removes the click event from the first button, right? So remove event listener must receive the same function referenced used earlier, and what we're going to call, you see, that's just what we did. We called the same function that we referenced earlier. All right, so after removing the event, we update the text so the user knows what actually happened. All right, so this is it. So we just need to check, yeah, everything is good. So we need to go to the browser and check. So now I click the remove click event. The first button stops working completely. So you can see, once you click me and what you click on the remove click event, it removes the event entirely. All right, that's it. Let me summarize. Add event listener listens for users' actions. Functions are passed without brackets. Remove event listener disables event. JavaScript reacts to users in real time. This is the foundations of forms, buttons, games, interactive web pages. If you understand event listeners, JavaScript becomes very powerful. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.